Okay, hi everybody. I thought I would walk you through the Isotopes and Atomic Mass Virtual Lab so that you have at least a beginning point with which to start. So we're looking at a pretty big point total lab. We're looking at 41 points, and a lot of it is part one. So let's look at boron. So when we click, I've got the document open here on the left and the simulation on the right. So we're going to click on boron right here. And I want to go to the isotopes. And so I'm going to click on boron. And so this is boron 11. So the symbol is going to be right here. The atomic mass, you just click on the atomic mass or AMU. So that's the atomic mass. You just click that button there. And then the abundance in nature. So you can click to add that and show the standard boron 11 isotope occurrence. And you can see here that it's 80.1%. And then you add neutrons to make it into a different isotope. Okay. So then we look at the data table. So you're filling in different things. So I would personally start, and this goes down in columns. So if you're looking at the carbon 13, let's start with that one. So we'll hit carbon here, and we see that it's 12, so we need one more neutron. So there's our carbon 13. So you can take the symbol, write the symbol out. You can take the number of protons. You can just count those, or it's up here as well. You can look at the neutrons and electrons in this little call-out box as well. The atomic mass is right there. The abundance is here. And then if it's stable or unstable. So it's not jiggling, which is how you know that it's unstable. It'll actually vibrate. And I can show you that by adding more neutrons. And you can see that it's starting to vibrate on the simulation. And you can see that it also has the unstable label to it. So this should get you started. So with the carbon 13, you would actually write it as 13, 6, and C. And then you take that 6 and make it a subscript. And then you take the 13 and you make that a superscript. And that's your symbol. That's how you would write it. So then you're defining an isotope. That's pretty simple. What's the relationship between natural abundance and stability? So once you've gone through the simulator, you should be able to identify that relationship. So then we're going to go to mixtures in the second half of the lab. And you're just physically going to mix hydrogen 1 and hydrogen 2 and mix the numbers of each. So for example, we'll do the first one. So you've got 2 hydrogen 1s and 2 hydrogen 2s. So it'll give you the percent composition over here on this pie chart. It'll give you your average atomic mass here. And so it's pretty straightforward for that section. And then you'll try it for lithium and chlorine. So hopefully this helps you a little bit understanding the lab, but if you have any questions, please feel free to call me.